My name is Irene Henry, and this story I'm telling about one was handed down from my grandmother and my mother, who always loved to tell stories. And these birds and them had decided that they would have a party. So they wanted somebody to sing for the party.
Right, she started
They wanted somebody to sing for the party. But the contention was that Cock see that he could sing better than Zombie Bird. And Zombie Bird, the birds and them, they agreed to take Zombie Bird to sing, while Cock now they left that Cock behind. But the dog now was always listening to hear what will happen next. He came like a watchman. So the party started and Johnny Bird started to sing. 80 miles down to go, 80 miles down to 80 miles down to ding 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 down ding 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 down. And that time when birds on them dancing while Johnny Bird singing, but he started to feel sleepy, so when he's feeling sleepy now, he's singing easier and easier. Then the ladies and them put, Johnny Bird, he said, places lady, places, places lady, places. When he said that, he start up again. And when he started to sing again, they start to dance. And this time, Cock crowing now, he's saying, Cock-a-yoko, Cock-a-yoko. He said, for the morning if you think I lie, for the morning if you think I lie. This time dog bowling, whoa, 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 whoa. That's to tell you, that Cock, that's always crow when morning coming. And dog, let's be a good man, a good watchman whenever he hear Cock crowing. And Johnny Bird, whenever morning coming, Johnny Bird has always fall asleep. And that is the end of it.
That is the story.
That is the story.